About 10 minutes to 7 Eastern Daylight Time, March 18th, 2013. Severe storms in the area. Right now we're looking northwest. Winds have picked up. There are tornado warnings to my north. And there is a severe thunderstorm warning for this storm north of me, a couple miles north. That's easily 30-35 miles per hour. Got a horn? Blow the damn horn, asshole. I'd get out of the road, you stupid son of a... Let's look south towards Columbus real quick. Looks like a little roll cloud trying to take shape there. Nice little gust front. Alright, that's all for now.